Mashallah, Alhamdulillah, you all have phones with you. When you call anyone and the person you call didn't fix your call, what do you hear? आप जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल कर रहे हैं वह उत्तर नहीं दे रहे, right? The person you are calling is not answering. This is AI tells. This isn't any human. But before 16-70 years, humans did these codes. Now, this is a visible photograph of a woman, as you can see. You all will say that it is a simple. This woman doesn't exist on this world.
जो भी आप बात करते हैं एआई को समझ में आता है। जब भी आप चैट जीपीटी पे जाते हैं, आप अपना कमेंट लिखते हैं, फिर भी क्या होता है कि अगर आप गलत भी लिखते हैं तो भी उसको समझ। एक सबसेट है जो इसको सिखाता है कि ये प्रोग्राम्स को अदर पार्ट जैसे कैमरास हो गए या माइक्रोफोन्स या स्पीकर्स, उनसे इनपुट वगैरह के।
And healthcare. Today we have made a lot of progress, but still we need to work some hard and we need to learn some things. AI is gonna be 1,000 times more smarter than we are. AI is going to be a better version of human beings.
AI को सही रास्ते पर चलाइए. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human soul. AI uses machine learning algorithms to learn from data and improve healthcare. NLP means natural language processing, allows AI to enhance human capabilities and to understand and generate human language. Both tools are being used to create fake online profiles and spread misinformation. The tools are being used to cheat and take shortcuts rather than learning and development skills. At last, I just want to tell you, let's not forget AI's power, but human hearts are also necessary. Thank you.
Teachers, my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sure, it benefits everyone. Thank you for being here, and I hope you will find this seminar quite informative and engaging. If any question pops up in your mind, feel comfortable to ask at the end, without interrupting in between. So, I will give a brief introduction of topic artificial intelligence. AI is a technology that allows machines to perform learn from the experiences and perform tasks. Or do you need to keep schedules? You don't have any idea of it. So AI can help you with that. Number 2, medical advances. AI helps doctors diagnose disease more accurately and can even assist in developing new treatments. AI, if they're going to emergency, you know that nowadays the young people are suffering from.
पाएगी इंसान ने सिखाया आगे बढ़ रही है मगर दिल की बातें क्या ये जान पाएगी मोहब्बत के जज्बे क्या ये पहचान पाएगी अस्सलाम वालेकुम to one and all present here. This is topic artificial intelligence. So I welcome you all to my presentation. Let's begin with Bismillah. When you think about the term artificial intelligence, you immediately think about the machine. You immediately think about the movies where machines take over the world, Tesla cars and whatnot. But did you actually know what
all of us to do is to make sure that we are using artificial intelligence as a potential for everyone and not for the determined.
Develop this self-aware artificial intelligence, okay? Because it has sentiments, feelings होती है इसके पास, but it is not developed at this time. Okay, this is self-aware artificial intelligence and it is most important. As our topic is about artificial intelligence, potentials and concerns. So let me tell you the potentials. First, potential. What does the word potential means? You know, there are basic words that we don't know, but we start, higher concepts. First of all, let's know what is the word potential means. Potential means having or showing capability to do something in the
Tariq sir, change.
So, without wasting our time, as our time is limited, so let me tell you some potentials of artificial intelligence. First is education. Artificial intelligence can have personalized teaching for each student's needs and his economy. Artificial intelligence can create trillions of dollars of value for the economy, and its applications are expected to continue to expand as technology advances. And the fourth is cyber security. Our time is limited. Let me tell you about the concerns of artificial intelligence. First is privacy concerns. Artificial intelligence often collects and analyzes large amounts of personal data, and artificial intelligence is
evolving rapidly day by day, and it is believed that in the near future, artificial intelligence is going to change human life very fastly and will
In the National Science Seminar. It is an honor to welcome you this National Science Seminar. Where brilliant minds are here to explore, discuss and advance our frontiers of scientific knowledge. Let us get started. Number 1. Artificial intelligence, the simulation of human entertainment. Artificial intelligence powered platforms recover movies and shows based on user tastes. At last, we will embark on the major concerns related with artificial intelligence. Number 1. Artificial intelligence can inherit biases from data they are trained on, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Number 2.
Team members, senior officers, respected teachers, my dear brothers and sisters, good afternoon to all of you. Prior to plunging ahead with the most interesting and discussed topic, that is artificial intelligence, I would like my utmost gratitude of my school who has provided me an opportunity to speak about this.
Today, I wish to express my views regarding artificial intelligence potential and concerns. All will listen patiently. Thanks. Advanced functions, including the ability to see, understand, and translate spoken and written language, analyze data, and more. Artificial intelligence has the potential to improve many aspects of life.
Respected teachers, my dear brothers and sisters, good afternoon to all of you. Prior to ahead with the most discussed topic, that is artificial intelligence, highlighting its potentials and concerns. I would like to present utmost gratitude of my management who has provided me an opportunity to speak about this topic.
We stand at a pivotal moment in human history, a time when the boundaries between science fiction and reality are blurring at an unprecedented pace. The advantage of artificial intelligence has ignited a firestorm of experience for application of AI is in healthcare. For instance, a smartwatch has the capability to detect irregular heart rhythms, potentially save lives by alerting users to risk strokes and heart attack. Artificial intelligence powered diagnosis
as well. Think about the difficulty of searching through 1 billion online photographers. Artificial intelligence can do the task.
Prime and the main motto of this gathering is to have an insight and a fundamental understanding of artificial intelligence.
Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Alma Perez from UPA Janwal. Today I want to throw light on some potentials of artificial intelligence. First of all, I want to let the audience know what is artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence has been mentioned for the first time in an example playing chess. There are some forms of intelligence in a human being as well as using the diagnosis in a difficult medical case or creating something new. The term
मेहनत से इन बच्चों को तैयार किया था इस प्रोग्राम के लिए, तो बहुत जहाँ तक हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन रही एज जूरी मेंबर्स, हमने यहाँ पे एक चीज़ को देखा कि द स्टूडेंट्स वेर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट क्लासेस, फ्रॉम 5th, फ्रॉम 6th to 12th. तो अगर ये बात जैसे तो अगर आप इसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे दैट विल बी बेटर, क्योंकि जहाँ यहाँ पे बच्चे आ गए 6th स्टैंडर्ड के, 7th स्टैंडर्ड के, उन्होंने इतना अच्छा बोला, उनके पास कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन अब जो पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन उनके पास नहीं थी तो वो थोड़ा ओवरशैडो हो गया उनका. अदरवाइज उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा तालियां. जो बच्चे यहाँ पे जिन्होंने जो 6th क्लास 7th क्लास के बच्चे थे, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बोला. उनके थर्ड प्राइज थर्ड पोजीशन goes to Fatima Qadri, UPS Utmulla. Very good.